Humanism is already most of our operating system. It is most of what our society is built upon. The idea of justice, human rights, equality of all men, the idea of a government instead of it being like a monarchical authoritarian institution as the government system. The education system, art and creativity, and all these things, and universities in general are all based on humanist principles that humanity, all the value should be put in the human being, and that every human being is equal, and that the idea of freedom and the entire Western civilization, the entirety of Western civilization is already pretty much based on humanism, but only as a abstract, philosophical, legal concept, not yet as an actual cultural force. And that's why we need to re-implement it. We need to implement humanism and being a humanist as not just being a guy who values human beings, but as a person who values being a part of humanity and that participates to the development of it. Being a humanist means being part of the human story, being part of the human project. Being a humanist means the reason why you act well is not because some god or divine prophecy told you to be. It's just because you are a human being and you are capable of being good, and it's what you seem to enjoy being. You are a human being, and therefore you're good. You are a humanist. Humanism is already the cultural framework. Humanism is already essentially the operating framework of our civilization. It just needs to be more enforced and more implanted so that it actually enters our systems and our education and our culture. Humanism is already our operating system. Let's make it the actual fucking framework, and then we can build a better society.